What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol MMAT for Metamaterials Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame chart. This, of course, will be more of an update. We talked about it recently with these two support trend lines being the main factor and the main thing to watch. But given the nature of today's daily candlestick looking like a hammer candle, the update to bring you guys is that the next key break is really just here up and over this 550, given the fact that we have lower wicks, indicating that buyers are stepping up and trying to keep prices afloat, right? This would be a much different story if the candle closed weak or we even started working our way lower than the prior day's low from Friday, of course. So to me, it's, it's worthwhile to watch this here at $5.50 because if we get the break here, looking left, I mean, this is just a big candle wick. There's technically not a lot of market structure in there. It should bring us up towards $6.42. It would also be a hold of this most steep support trend line. As we know, it's not the end of the world if it breaks sideways through time. Because it's so steep, we still have the primary one coming in from, let's go ahead and take a look from the 30-minute perspective. You can see anchor is way down here. Touch one is here. That's still intact, has not been tested yet. But again, the secondary support trend line is coming into play, and it does look like it is starting to be respected into the end of the day here on metamaterials. The one thing I would encourage you to just watch for now is because we have sort of this chop zone right through here, I think the easiest way to monitor this, instead of trying to be nitpicky and say there's a zone, right, doing something like this, let's grab the other tool quickly. Instead of trying to say that there's a zone from maybe here up to here and watch that zone, just keep an eye on this blue line, right? That's the 50-period simple moving average on the 30-minute time frame chart. As long as we remain above that line, I would say you should have or continue to have a bullish outlook inside of the name. It's not, actually, it is working pretty well. So I will say it is working well as support, right? Look at this. Down here, touched kind of in here. It's following the trend of our support trend lines essentially in here. So again, as long as we remain above that line there, I do think you can have a bullish slant looking for the breakout up and over 550 to take us into some of those targets which we've discussed now in prior videos. First 642 and then 670 right above that coming from prior daily structure if we scrunch the chart up just a bit and then all the way on up to 8. So what I wanted to talk about mainly was, again, just the psychology behind the hammer candle, the fact that buyers are stepping up, and we have some clean levels at least to pay attention to. So if you enjoyed the update, let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.